Hello everyone, welcome to Sasha Motivated channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, watch my channel always.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to use TeamViewer for remote connection. TeamViewer is a popular application that allows you to access and control a remote computer or device from anywhere in the world. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to set up and use TeamViewer to establish a remote connection.
So here, to download TeamViewer, you'll go to your Google and type the words download TeamViewer. When you enter, you will land on this page. So we look for the link that will take us to TeamViewer direct, and this is the link. This is the link that will take us to TeamViewer direct. So what you do, you will click on this link. After clicking on the link, to take you to the official homepage of TeamViewer. So we are interested in the Windows version of TeamViewer, which is this. So what we do next is to download the 64-bit version. So it will download to your computer, depending on the download manager you are using. Get it downloading, huh? Okay. So I'm using Internet Download Manager, so when I click start, it will download very fast. So when it downloads, I'll be able to look for it on my computer. When I open the folder, I'll be able to navigate to the location where it is. So here I see. So when I check my programs, the setup is here. So I've successfully downloaded the TeamViewer setup. This is it. So to install, the steps for installation. So for me, my setup is already installed, and this is the setup. So I'm going to connect to remotely. I'm going to connect remotely using TeamViewer. So here I will put, it asks for your ID and the password. So after you've installed your TeamViewer, then you can connect to anyone remotely using the ID and the password. So this is my ID. This is my ID. And this is my password. This. So after that, if you want to connect to anyone remotely, you ask them for their username and password, their ID and password. So I've already got someone's ID and password, so I'm going to connect. Let me get the details here. So I'll get the user ID. So this is the user ID. Then you enter or click connect. Then you wait for it to bring you the option to enter the password. So I'll copy my password also. So this is where we put the password. So when you put your password here, password of the person you're connecting to, then click on log on. When you click log on, you will be able to access the other person's computer remotely. Yeah, it will load and you'll be able to access the other person's computer remotely.
That's it for this tutorial on how to use TeamViewer for remote connection. As you can see, TeamViewer is a powerful tool that makes it easy to connect to and control remote computers from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a remote worker, a student, or simply need to access your home computer from another location, TeamViewer is a reliable and easy to use solution. Thank you for watching, and happy remote connecting.